螞蟻夠勤力，牛夠勤力。螞蟻夠勤力，牛夠勤力。
Some Hong Kong's bosses use this expression to motivate their staffs to work smart. Actually, it is not an encouraging expression, but a sarcastic expression. Its direct translation is "and can work very hard" or "ox can work very hard." It implies that I know you are working hard, but you are not smart enough. In most situations, bosses speak out this expression emotionally, especially when his staff tries to explain or defend. Bosses even compare you with an ox or an ant. Staff feels insulted in this situation, but cannot say anything. For example,
牛夠勤力啦，你唔好去做隻牛。做人做乜啫？做嘢要用下個腦啊嘛。牛夠勤力啦，你唔好去做隻牛。做人做乜啫？做嘢要用下個腦啊嘛。
In English, it means, ox also works hard. Why you are not an ox, but a human. When you work, think what you are doing. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.